Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is St. Patrick's Day special video where I'll be showing you how to build a 3D papercraft model of Clover leaf from scratch. So for the first time for my 3D paper art, I designed the 3D model itself in Blender. This is the very first time I have designed any 3D model and it came out pretty decent, if not very accurate. As a next step, I unfolded this model using the Pepakura software so that I could get the 2D template for my 3D paper art. You can leave me a comment if you are interested in the 2D template or the 3D file that I have designed with the Blender. Cut out all the pieces so that you can start joining the pieces together to form the 3D model. I've already created this one leaf of the camera just to show you that how the structure is going to look. The other two leaves I'm doing simultaneously. While one leaf is drying out, I will glue the pieces on the other one and so on. And with that last piece, our Clover leaf is ready. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to like and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel so that you can get weekly videos on paper art. Leave me a comment if you are interested in the 2D or the 3D template and I would happily share it with you. See you guys very soon in my next video, and most importantly, stay safe, take care and bye bye.